Sustainability is everybody's business. But like you said, to be just prudent with your work, I mean, with what you want to do, make it part of the consideration will be cost.
So, for example, you want to save on carbon footprint. So, you want to reduce the number of trips for your material. You want your material to reach the site in as little trips as possible. You want it to not be traveling greatest. Now, common sense, if it's going to travel a larger, the freight will be higher. Okay. Additionally, if it's coming from a local supplier, the freight will definitely be. Of course, all material applications being same. Secondly, if for example you choose the correct material the first time round, you will not have to return the material. If you know how much material I want, you will not have to keep reordering. You will place your order such that you get all the material that you need to finish this job. So when we are working on Flowmash, we already have visibility of what exactly is it that I need. You know that we have this constructionary where we select the part and it is specified to the milestone things. So we select the part, the TDS of the same goes to the client. We know what we want. Additionally, it's the same system is used to interact with everybody. The planning manager, the site engineer, the client, the vendor. Everybody is viewing the same information. As a result, you are not ordering for X and the vendor is assuming you wanted Y because he didn't see the same thing. He had visibility of the exact same, right? So all of that has led to cost saving money because you're saving time. Customer also, you finish your project on time. Your customer is not facing needed. Your customer is happier, giving him exactly what he wants. And you are not putting any burden on the environment by wasteful activity, wasteful movement, because nobody gains from that except from maybe the transport. Yeah, so those are things which anyway I feel should come very naturally to any person who's, managing the project. Additionally, because, we have every material has an identity of its own, we're able to easily view, okay, how much of this material is available. Now I need this exact same material somewhere else.